Silence. Yo, Snowy1 Kenobi, you're back. What?
I throw your brain in the cobra clutch. Behold the rust. A dad's on display if you can get close enough. Cold crust like the fall.
他为什么要把它缠起来是什么意思？
因为我们要 try to park.
哦，所以一定要缠掉。
So yeah, so normally you would want sand or something like that to give us friction to move, but we don't have anything like that, so I don't know what we're gonna do. All right, we have made it to Mammoth, but not in one piece. The car is actually stuck in the middle of the road, so we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do. Maybe call AAA. We'll see if we can continue on, but everyone's spirits are kind of down, and yeah, we need to band together and pick it up again. This is a sign of defeat right there. Yo.
Whoa, it's tofu right here.
Yeah, I know, dude. Eating is the solution to everything.
Give it energy.
Yeah, so you can think properly. Alright, I'm like really tired, but I got dressed again. We are calling it defeat. This is the end of the holiday. What I need to do now is go back outside.
Maybe this is just the first part of our holiday.
Yeah, I mean,
And
we're
then
getting
we
days.
still-
Let's go back home and we go to Joshua Tree. We go to Joshua where it's warmer, baby.
We can go to San Diego.
Right, some other.
We can go to Mexico. Let's go to Mexico, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude, she wants to go to Mexico.
Tijuana have a drive.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, this is on video. This is on video.
That changed things dramatically.
Okay, something is flashing red. Okay, I'm gonna have to find out what this is. Oh, jeez. Try to take a photo, I took some video of it, find out what that is. My glasses are all steamed up. It's alright though. These boots, by the way. Oh man, my snowboarding boots. Even though I don't have my snowboard, because we left it back at the Ritz-Carlton, I'm so glad I took them. I have other boots, but no, these are strong. It's gonna be interesting to see like how this holiday ends up.
Enough niggas, enough guns. So if you wanna come sweating, stressing, contesting, you got your soft sword to the midsection. Don't talk the talk if you can't walk the walk.
Good morning. It's 3 hours later. We're gonna check out to see if our car is still there, because we hear a lot of like car activity out here. I think there's people plowing snow and everything.
Heard a lot of really loud plowing. It woke us up. We're like, oh shoot, we might be screwing some people over.
Yeah, he was really mad.
He got like really
He was really mad we were blocking people's
But then he
way to
got
work.
another guy to help us like, move the car like back in front and back in front.
Oh, so Frank's like a little shell shocked. Are you feeling a little bit better
I was
now?
a little fired up a second ago. Like right before
probably
you
really
came
mad.
out, he was like really freaking pissed.
Yeah.
And yeah, you saying like, why don't you just leave it out there? Why would you think to do that? I was like, dude, our chains broke off like right there. It just broke off right there. Like we had chains. Like, you knew it was gonna be like this. It's all snow. Why'd you even do that? Like 6 people missed work because of you.
Yeah.
I didn't want them to miss
a bad
work,
situation.
but it happened. And I'm glad
We
you guys
wish we
want to
could
help
fix
me
it.
fix this, you know,
Yeah.
be a solution.
All right, new plan. We're now gonna walk a mile to Chevron to get the right chains.
So this is where we were at. This is why we came.
People doing some stuff I wish we could do.
Can you talk about your newfound like energy and newfound life and what's going on? Tell me about the scenery.
It's beautiful. It's too bad that we're missing it. And that we're probably gonna miss it.
What do you mean? We're like looking at them right now. What are you talking
No,
about?
but I mean like
Negatoros.
really getting into it. But it's still, we're still under like a relatively stressful situation. And it's too bad we can't like relax. But it is making, I mean, going back up to Tahoe
There's a 10% life now.
It's a little bit more life, yeah. It was at 0 when we went to sleep last night. This morning, rather.
It's like 3 hours ago.
Like, also, did you see when the tow truck guy like almost ran me over?
Yeah, I saw that.
Really
I saw that. No problem.
She said, if I can do it, you can do it.
Yeah, I believe her.
Yeah. Pretty great.
Yeah, let's just go.
All right, we're gonna do an actual snow experience now because everything's just been stressful. Let's do this thing.
Oh baby.
Boom.
Oh, I thought she was gonna go.
Oh shoot, she's in it.
She's born in it. Born in it. Born in it.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna live here.
Ready?
You have to go for the highest part. Oh, God,
What? That is not the way to do it.
That was a bad idea.
That is not the way to do it.
Oh yeah.
It's like so wet on your face.
It's like in your hood.
What are you doing? Why did you do that?
Why are you?
What do you mean? That was a good decision.
Why are you? Yeah. Yeah.
Nice one, baby.
I think mine might have had a little more snow.
Oh my god, that hurt.
You like break your butt? Oh, here's some gloves to help us put them on with.
Oh, hello.
Alright, so we wanted to go broken side up.
And car side down.
Yep. Slap that on.
Oh, it even says fire side.
You guys are like snow chain pros now.
You could do this all day, day.
You should do like a YouTube tutorial.
If I can do it,
You can do it. You should have seen me last night. I broke.
dude, my spirit was shattered.
Everyone's spirit was
Shattered.
Is that tight?
It's like a lot more
looks a lot
secure.
more
Like
secure.
like
Not-
15
it's not even
times.
close. It's not
15
even
times
close.
more secure
It's
than
like
the other
1,000
one.
times.
Like these are actually like gripping the tires, man. I mean, it's 35, all right. I mean, I still have to
Caltrans.
feel.
After the
Caltrans.
second one-
Caltrans, I still have to feel how it is. The noise is gonna make a big difference.
After the second
Convincing
one, it's
them.
gonna
We're gonna rally to Tahoe. Nice. Good work, guys. Maybe a little high five. Nice.
That was enough.
I throw your brain in the cobra clutch. Behold the rush. A dad's on display if you can get close enough. Cold crush like the 4. Sting of anaconda. Fierce darts that'll pierce through solid armor. Lounge in the barracks with Blue and Capadonna. Spider-Man, identity, Peter Parker. Crowd pleaser, register off the meter. Vocal street sweeper, buckshots through the speaker.
I haven't had college in here in like 10 years. Every time we come back, it's like in and out. But this is like looking pretty much like the photo, man. This is like,
That's pretty solid.
this is looking
That.
solid.
That's looking pretty
Frankly,
solid.
Mr. Western, man.
all meat.
Oh, it's opening.
Veg.
Process.
All meat.
Trust the process.
Ooh. Got some onion rings in there. Bacon, barbecue. So here it is.
This is the next
We
8 hours of your life.
are going to Tahoe. We're actually doing it.
To Lake Tahoe.
These guys are gonna take a nap. Nap it up. Great job. She's not gonna go over 30 because we don't want these changed to snappa-rappa.
Yo, rapper the snapper.
Like those people. That's really unfortunate. It's beautiful. We're coming, Tahoe. We're coming.
Sweeper buckshots through the speaker. Pleasure seekers, 50,000 in the stands. True fans get it hot like Jamaica sand. Conquer land wide like an eagle wingspan. Clansman stabbing the track with both hands.
So just to tack on to the last post, just take a listen to the environment. Interesting. Doesn't sound like there's a jackhammer going on, is there? Really strange.